Student, in the previous video we talk about the archaeological sources which is the base of this civilization. Okay, so here we can see the bricks, beads, bone, house ornaments, burial tools, etc. are the archaeological sources. As for the written, we find script or there is a sign depicted on this seal, but yet it is yet not deciphered. So uh, and then we talk about after the scientific study of these evidences, the archaeological divided this civilization into three phases. So you can see early Harappa, mature and later. We saw regional division in this early Harappa phase on the basis of distinct culture, but some of the elements were common which bring uniformity in this culture. So you can see Kortisi, Amri Nal, Dam Sadat and Soti Siswal were the regional division of this early Harappa phase that we have discussed earlier. Now come to the new topic, the Indus Valley Civilization, in which we will talk about the mature Harappan phase, that is the 2600 BC to 1900 BC. The Harappan civilization was spread over a large part of western region of Indian subcontinent that we have discussed earlier. The known extent of this civilization, what are the extension of this civilization? You can see Indus Valley civilization extended from Jammu Kashmir to Maharashtra. Okay, and then comes if we talk about UP to Baluchistan. This whole region is the expansion or extension of Indus Valley civilization when we talk about the mature Harappan phase. Okay, when we you can see the length and the breadth as far it is in the rectangular shape. So in the Jammu, if we talk about the site, it is Manda in Jammu to Daimabad in Maharashtra and Alamgirpur in UP to Sutka Gendor in Baluchistan. So this is the northern, Manda is the northern side of Jammu Kashmir. Alamgirpur is the eastern side of this Indus Valley civilization. Daimabad is the southern, and when we talk about Sutka Gendar is the western side of IBC. See, so you can see by the time of its mature phase, the civilization had spread over an area larger than the other. As we talk about other civilization, and which included a core of 1500 kilometer up the alluvial plain of the Indus and its tributaries. A very interesting fact about these sites that they have found near rivers. Okay, so you can see Manda in Chenab, Alamgirpur, Hindon, Daimabad is in Godavari river. Okay, is near to Godavari, and then comes to the Sutka Gendor is in Dasht. So by 2600 BCE, the early Harappan communities turn into large urban centers. Such urban centers include these sites what have been mentioned here. You can see Harappa, Ganeriwala, Mohenjo-daro, and Dholavira, Kalibanga, Rakhigadi. So these all sites are what? These show the phase of mature Harappan period. Okay. So let's see in which province they are located. So these are some important sites of Harappa civilization or Indus Valley civilization. Okay, you can see Harappa which is in Punjab in Pakistan. Okay, then comes here a very important site Mohenjo-daro. It is also located in Sindh, Punjab on the bank of river Indus. Okay, then comes you can see here so you can see Lothal, Rangpur, Nageshwar, Dholavira in Gujarat region, Amri, Balakot, Chanudaro in the Sindh region, Kalibanga in Rajasthan, Banwali, Mithathal, Rakhigadi in the Haryana region. So these all are located near the bank of river. So here we can see the important site of the civilization, of this civilization.